You've come here to learn how to cook black beans from scratch, also called black turtle beans. We're going to do that in a second. I'm Anastasia Eden. I'm a retreat chef here in the UK, and I'm here to make your life easier in the kitchen. And I share a ton of stuff online and on my website. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want more. Let's go take a quick look and see how easy it is to make your own black beans from scratch. Some people like to soak their black beans overnight. This is absolutely fine. I often do it. It only reduces the cooking time by about 20 to 30 minutes, and it also makes the black beans less black. So if you want to keep them super black, I just recommend you cook them without soaking them overnight. It does only add a little bit of extra cooking time on. I've got 500 grams, which is about a pound of black beans. They're also called black turtle beans. I'm going to add about 3 times more water to the pan. You can adjust the quantity of your beans depending on how many you need to cook. Just basically cover them by about 3 times as much water. And your beans are going to double plus a little bit more in size after cooking. Put the lid on, bring them to the boil on a stove. Once your beans come to a rolling boil, reduce to a simmer with the lid on. And then you're going to cook your black beans for about 90 minutes until the beans are cooked through. So you know they're cooked when they're creamy inside and not really falling apart. If they start to fall apart, that's fine, but you've kind of overdone it a bit, and they're still absolutely fine. You can use them. But creamy inside, you want to make sure they're cooked. Cooking time is going to vary depending on each batch, so please adjust accordingly. Generally, they're going to take about 90 minutes from boiling. And then once they're cooked, drain in a large sieve and thoroughly rinse them with water. You want to rinse them until the water runs clear. And then your black beans are ready to use in any recipe that you desire. They'll keep in the fridge for a few days, and I recommend that you freeze any beans that you aren't going to use up within those few days. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. Please do subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and remember to come visit my website, kindearth.net. If you like this, please do check my other videos out, because I've got some videos on how to make some delicious recipes with black beans. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.